Urban planning is a vital field that strives to create sustainable, efficient, and thriving cities. One tense that is commonly used in urban planning discussions is the future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is employed to describe ongoing actions or developments that will be happening at a specific time in the future. This tense is crucial in urban planning, as it allows city planners to articulate the evolving nature of cities and the projects that are underway to improve them. One common example of the future continuous tense in urban planning is, by 2030, the city will be building a new subway line to connect the downtown area with the suburbs. This sentence conveys the ongoing nature of the subway line construction project that is set to take place in the future. Another example could be, in 10 years, the city will be implementing new green spaces and bike lanes to promote sustainable transportation. This sentence highlights the continuous efforts of the city to enhance its infrastructure and make it more environmentally friendly. Furthermore, the future continuous tense is also used to discuss long-term city development plans. For instance, over the next decade, the city will be expanding its public transportation network to reduce traffic congestion. This sentence indicates the ongoing commitment of the city to improve its transportation system over a prolonged period of time. In conclusion, the future continuous tense is an essential tool in urban planning that allows city planners to describe ongoing developments, projects, and long-term plans that will shape the future of cities. By using this tense effectively, urban planners can communicate their ideas clearly and effectively to stakeholders and the public. The future continuous tense enables us to envision a city that is constantly evolving and adapting to meet the needs of its residents and ensure a sustainable and vibrant future.